Good day everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, dated, insert date. We're excited to bring you the latest update on all things IPTV. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more awesome updates and check out 2tv.store, your go-to IPTV provider for unparalleled streaming options. Now let's jump into a quick tutorial on installing IPTV on your smart TV. Start by switching on your TV, then navigate to the App Store. Search for your preferred IPTV app like IPTV Smarters Pro or GSE Smarty IPTV and download it. Once installed, open the app and enter your login details, which you can obtain from your IPTV provider. For optimal performance, ensure your internet connection is stable. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy endless streaming possibilities. Remember, for the best IPTV experience, visit 2tv.store and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.